Ooblelotak.
Canwick Pissy.
Today is Tuesday.
What day?
All day today. Let's be
Responsible.
Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Welcome back, everyone. Yesterday, we talked about what a choice is and how we make choices every day. Today, we're going to dive deeper and learn about what happens after we make a choice, what we call the consequences.
A consequence is something that happens because of the choice you made. It could be a good thing, a not so good thing, or something in between. The important thing is that every choice has some kind of consequence and understanding that helps us make better decisions.
Let's imagine you have a choice to make. You can either play video games or help with chores at home. If you choose to play video games, it might be fun for a while, but what do you think might happen?
Well, the chores won't get done and your family might be disappointed or even upset. That could mean you lose some screen time in the future. That's a consequence of choosing to play games instead of helping.
But if you choose to help with chores, it might not seem as exciting, but you'll finish faster and maybe even get a reward like extra screen time or a special treat. Plus, you'll be helping your family, which could make everyone happier.
Consequences can be good or bad, and sometimes they're a mix of both. The important thing is to think about what might happen before you make a choice.
That's right. Thinking about the possible consequences can help us choose wisely. Even small decisions, like whether to share a toy, can have consequences. It could make a friend happy or help us to avoid a problem later.
Sharing could lead to a good consequence, like making a new friend or having more fun. But choosing not to share might mean playing alone or making someone else feel left out.
So, whenever you're faced with a choice, ask yourself, what might happen if I do this? How will it make me feel, and how will it affect others?
The more we practice thinking about consequences, the better we get at making choices that lead to good outcomes.
Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to think and share. Here are some circle up questions to discuss.
For grades K through 5, can you think of time when you made a choice and something good or not so good happens because of it? What was the choice and what was the consequence?
And now for grades 6 through 12. Think about a choice you made recently. What were the possible consequences you considered before making that decision? Did the actual consequence match what you expected? This is a great opportunity to pause, make sure you're in your circles, and share out these questions with each other.
That's it for today, and remember, thinking about the consequences helps us make smarter choices.
Tomorrow, we'll explore how our feelings and emotions can influence the decisions we make. See you then.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Keep practicing thinking ahead when making choices.
And remember, every choice matters. So take your time and think things through. See you next time.